Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best single-serve espresso makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Nespresso Creatista Plus by Breville. This Nespresso was the only machine we tested that didn't require reading the manual to get it started. Once plugged in, the smart display screen quickly got my attention and led me through the right steps to get the machine ready. This Creatista Plus model has every aspect of a user-friendly espresso maker that my old-fashioned machine lacks. Sleek design, intuitive touch buttons, and a countertop-friendly size. This model offers several brewing options. For espresso, you can choose between espresso and lungo, which means large in Italian. For coffee drinks, you can select flat white, cappuccino, and latte. Then, the machine asks you to select the temperature of the milk to make sure it froths a perfect cup every time. Every shot we pumped came out with light brown, foamy crema on top, and the milk frother also did wonders. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nespresso CitiZ Original Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. The Nespresso CitiZ drew our attention for its compact, sleek design. It also features a versatile foldable cup tray that accommodates taller, single-serve coffee or espresso glasses. Every cup of espresso brewed in less than 25 seconds, measured 2 ounces or less, and was hot enough even if you opt to add a dash of cold milk. If you like your cup shorter or taller, you can set the volume you prefer by holding down the button as it brews and releasing it when your desired amount is dispensed. The CitiZ will remember the setting. In cup after cup, Nespresso espressos had the combination of bitter and sweet notes that always make espresso so satisfying. At number 3, we have the Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. With the new Essenza Mini, you get the same great cup of crema-topped espresso you would expect from even the largest, most expensive Nespresso machine, but you don't have to give up as much of your kitchen's precious counter space. Wondering what you give up? Although it's attractively designed, the Essenza doesn't quite have the heft of the pricier models. Its tank only holds enough water for about 10 shots, but since it's recommended that you refill the tank with fresh water every day, this won't be a drawback unless you keep yourself super caffeinated. After every 6 brews, you'll need to empty the used capsule holder. If you buy the Nespresso Essenza Mini Bundle from Breville, you get the same Aeroccino 3 frother that comes with the CitiZ and milk, but it will sit on your countertop instead of on the machine. At number 2, we have the Lavazza Blue Classy Mini Single-Serve Espresso Coffee Machine. As someone who subscribes to Lavazza's monthly coffee delivery on Amazon, I was very excited to hear about their newly launched pod espresso makers. Since it's a coffee and espresso ground supplier, Lavazza uses its own pods, the Lavazza Blue capsules, in its machines. My favorite part about the Lavazza is the helpful indicator that tells me when I need to refill the water tank, or that the used pods drawer is full. The size is on the smaller end, and it's a lot less noisy than many of the other machines we tested. However, the tiny footprint means that you'll have to compromise on other things. The water tank is only 0.2 gallons, and the drawer for used pods is small, which means you'll have to dump the pods frequently. And finally, at number 1, we have the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto coffee machine. This product has been replaced by the Espresso 3. Think of the Espresso as a drink station rather than an espresso machine. Yes, it makes an acceptable shot with a layer of crema, but what really distinguishes it is its ability to make everything from a vanilla latte macchiato to chai to peach iced tea. To prepare a milk-topped beverage, you brew 2 capsules consecutively, changing the setting between each. The toppings are made from a dried powder that's reconstituted and lightly frothed during the brewing process. They definitely don't have the taste or the volume you get from frothing real milk, which means this is not the machine for a serious coffee aficionado. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.